Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a drop-down list on the Excel application. So first of all, of course, all we need to do just go and open the Excel application if you already have it downloaded into your PC. So of course, if you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Microsoft Store or any browser you're currently using. Of course, you will have to download the Office pack because you cannot download just the Excel. Once you download the Office, it will download with it a lot of applications. So once it downloads, you can delete whatever you want, but I suggest you just to leave them all because they are useful. And of course, they are all paid, so you will have to pay subscription to use them. So once you have it downloaded, or if you already have it downloaded, just go and open the application up. And of course, once it's open, this will be actually your home screen or your main screen. And now you'd like to log in into your account if you have an account, but if you don't have an account, just go and create one, then log in into it. And of course, as we said, those are paid applications, so you'll have to activate your account with Payin, of course. And once you are here, you can actually create a new, so you can actually like open a blank workbook or just choose some of their templates here. You can open something on your computer if you have it saved. For me, I'm just going to open a blank workbook document. So this will actually be your document, and as we said, we would like to add a drop-down list on the Excel application. So we would like to first of all select the cells that you want to contain the list. So let's say an example. If we're going to write like H H H H H H H H H H H H H H and H, and that's normally is going to be our list. So of course, if you want to do that, of course, just select it, and once you select it, go to data option at the top here, and make sure to go to data validation, click on it, and of course, and allow select list. Make sure to check all of those, and of course the sources, like type whatever you want to have in this list. So this is an example, like we would like to have valid. Make sure to do this. I forgot the name of this, but make sure to do it to have a list of a lot of options. So let's say an example is going to be this, valid, this, and wrong as an example, and click as OK. And now every single cell will have those two options. You can see valid and wrong, and you can even select them for every cell. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.